Are you gonna be sitting down too?
Oh wait, you want me in it?
Oh, yeah.
What am I gonna be doing?
I don't know. Handing me stuff. Hey guys, Chi-Chi here. Welcome back to my channel, Chi.Chi.Luxe. Today I have a very special guest. If you don't know who this man is,
I'm Wil Mikahson. I'm so happy to be here on our channel today.
Yes, but we're in his place.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for having me. I've gotten a couple of questions about my newest acquisition. So if you want to know what is in here, keep watching. Stay tuned. Now, first of all, if you haven't seen me unbox this, I'm gonna link it in the cards, so you can go check that out.
I can't even wrap my brain around all that fits in there.
Okay.
Because there's a lot.
I will point out that if you have any anxiety about warping, this is not for you.
You know, it's funny because I didn't know you were going to say that, and I was looking like, someone's not going to like that.
Yes.
These items are meant to be used.
Yes, and I'm a user, not a new user. I don't think that made any sense.
She's not a player, she just crushes a lot.
So, normally in the front pocket, I would have my cell phone, but that is currently being used. Where are you going? Lonely.
I was gonna give you, but oh, here it is.
Okay, cool, party, yeah. So, we're using a phone stand-in. It's iPhone, so.
No hate. The best phone out there. Pause. Were you really just gonna be like, oh, let me open and close my front pocket?
You're right.
Without acknowledging this gorgeous, gorgeous bag charm keychain.
I will link that video. But yes, this is, again, a recent acquisition. Yes. The phone does fit in the front pocket. It's a very deep pocket.
If the phone is down, is just like a few inches or?
Well, the pocket actually goes all the way down to the base.
That's pretty good.
So you can fit a bunch of things. However, it depends on what you put inside, which will determine the depth.
I wonder if an iPad mini can fit here. Without the case.
Without a case,
right.
Probably it'll slip in there. Let's get into what I have in here for right now. So I have some wet ones. You know, always gotta have the fresh hands. I am a Fenty girl, okay? So Fenty Beauty on deck. First of all, if you have oily skin, get the blot powder. Change your whole life.
Is it blotting powder or the pads?
Nope, it's blotting powder. It's truly translucent. No flashback. You can still take pictures. Rihanna uses it, and you can set your concealer. So,
noted.
of course, we gotta have the gloss. Fenty.
Fenty girl, stand up.
And I'm not a gloss girl, but that's how much I support. Gotta support. So, in one of the pockets, I have my card holder. This is Kate Spade.
It's really cute.
That thing was only like $20.
Really? From the outlet or?
No, directly from the website. I was like,
I
okay.
love the prismatic vibes, like the color pops.
Yeah.
It's really cute.
I've been testing it for a long time because I want the YSL one.
I have the YSL.
I know you have the YSL one. You make me jealous, but I digress. In the big pouch, we have my sunglass holder.
This is one of those things, you guys, where I looked at it, I thought it was gorgeous, and I was just like, and I do have bulky glasses, and you brought up a good point.
Yes.
That if you have bulky glasses, this is not the case.
It's not for you.
This is for something very flat. What year did you get this?
I have no clue. I'm so bad with years.
The canvas is really, really sturdy in this, you guys.
The way my eyes are set up, I can't read it. Let's say 15, 16.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll be there. We have my, of course, Victorine wallet.
I just wish that they did men's stuff. I know that patent leather is not really a men's thing. Have a monogram place back, which is kind of like the men's version of this. And I just wish that they would have expounded upon this and did more. It's so stunning. I mean, the color, the finish, the gold bluing. We need a seat at the table.
Y'all need to really get into this unisex life.
I will pull up a folding chair to the table.
I would too.
I just want to be at the I will stand in the doorway. We just need to have a voice. Louis needs to
monogram eclipse and Damier graffiti in that. Just bring it over. Virgil, what are you doing?
Virgil, yeah.
Next thing is a novelty. I don't think I've ever shown this, but this is my lipstick case.
How have I never seen this?
No,
Are you stuttering right now?
I got to keep it, with the cute stuff,
Oh.
But yes, this is my little lipstick.
And the interior, hello?
Yes, this is from the Ribbons collection.
This deserves a whole video.
They had a pin case from the same collection, but as soon as I saw this, I had to have it.
She's holding out on us, guys. I know you didn't know about this either. You guys could not have known about this. How are you even holding out on this?
I don't know, because it's in my everyday stuff. Like, I just pick things up and put things down.
I pick things up and put things down.
It does hold 2 lipsticks.
I was wondering, is that a full lipstick or like a...
Yes, it's a full lipstick.
Okay.
This is from Minted Cosmetics, Black owned. Really love their lipsticks. And, I gotta have brown.
Especially
Bam.
for fall.
This is Dope Taupe.
If there was a lipstick named after you, it would be Dope Taupe. That is hilarious.
Yes.
Can you put that in a shirt?
Dope
You
Taupe.
are Dope Taupe.
I am Dope Taupe.
You really are.
I'm pecan tan too.
Can you brands call her, please?
I'm just saying, hit me up. I'm on Instagram.
You might want to watch your back for that.
Why?
Because I have some Chanel lip-wearing chapstick that needs something to be carried in.
Security.
I do have to throw the luxury the tag video items I would steal from YouTubers. Consider yourself warned. You guys heard it first.
Anywho, I do have this small Neutrogena white, courtesy of
Cindy. Soyless.
Yes, check her out. She gave me this. These are actually pretty useful.
Really?
Where you're coming from a late night. I'm not saying from what.
From work.
Hey, the other 9 to 5. I mean, I don't judge.
I don't judge either.
Of course, you gotta have your keys. So this is my 6 key holder. I still want to upgrade.
Or do the Epi?
No, I don't want an Epi.
Oh, you want the Empire?
I want the Omron. Talk about stealing. You want to trade?
We'll talk.
Last thing I have in here.
This is the last thing?
Yeah. For today.
I feel like you can fit so much in here.
I mean, we can get some other stuff.
Don't have to start throwing things in. Just throw it in the bag.
Brown coin purse. This is from the Chi.Chi Murakami line. It's the cherries.
I do like that. You know what I love about this one? Very rare do you find that the interior is that, contrasting color. But to see the stitching contrasting color too is beautiful.
I always feel bad for using this because I'm putting a bunch of dirty coins in it, and it's so pretty and it's kind of rare. But I use my things.
I said earlier, these things are meant to be used.
Yeah, I just can't buy a bunch of things and just look at it. It's just, that's not in me to do. I need to use it. But yeah, gotta have the coins.
What about that ching ching ching?
What about that bling bling bling? What about the today? So it's completely empty. You can zip up and bust it wide open.
Bust it wide open.
All the way open.
I love that. It's got this full pocket here.
Yes.
4 slip pockets here, 2 pin loops, and then this large pocket here, and then this pocket here. I mean,
yes.
It is literally for the business person on the go.
Probably what I'm going to try to do, the little travel perfumes? I'm probably going to try to stick
in the
it.
pin loops?
Yes.
You are smart. You are smart.
Smart cookie.
You is smart. You is kind.
And I is important.
I'm not even a fan of Damier Graffiti, but
that really surprises me.
Eclipse all day.
Like, I love that.
And I love Eben. I love Eclipse. So you take the 2 of those together, and you have this. And I'm not here for it. But I do like this, and I do like the Tadao.
Okay.
The Tadao is like a tote with a zip top and shoulder strap for men. I do like the Tadao. But yeah, but I love this piece.
Do you have a piece that you think wouldn't fit in there that you have in your collection that you can grab real quick?
A 19 won't fit.
No, I don't think a 19 will fit.
We're gonna try that.
We're here.
We're gonna try the 15 and the 19.
Yes.
Yes.
Please help. Good job.
Right. We've got our 2 prospects. This one may do it.
Yes.
This one. Well, let me say this. You might be able to fit this one if you have nothing else in there.
Probably.
But with all that she just took out, not happening.
I don't think so. Okay, let's do it. This is what, 19?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, child. We already
We're going
know.
to talk about bubbling at the zipper.
I mean,
Like, you would only have to carry that.
let's we're here for it.
Oh, you
Card
know what?
holder.
What if you did this? If you turned it upside down
Ooh.
to go with how the bag kind of does that.
Okay, we're always gonna need keys.
Like, utilize those
One of the
compartments. Yeah.
Okay, one pocket. And a phone will always go in the front.
Are you always going to need change? Another pocket.
Yes, warping. But I don't care about warping.
It's not warping more than it did before.
Also true. Okay, so a 19 does fit.
The 19 does fit, so you know that the 15 is going to fit. You'll probably now,
Same stuff in it.
same stuff. Now you've just gained access to this whole half side of the bag. So here comes your wallet.
Lipstick.
Here comes your my chapstick holder.
Listen, sir.
When I have bags that are like this, if the shape is going, like the bag is clearly narrowing at the base, right? So I take my item that narrows like that and it goes and contours with the bag, so it kind of works with it.
Yeah.
So the glasses are there, zipped on the side. I mean, do you need your... I mean, at this point, you still have a lot of area, like clearance up here.
Yeah, you
You
do.
can start throwing,
Laying things on top.
laying things on top if you need to. And the good thing is that this side over here has
Yeah.
some give.
Wow. I'm a little shook.
Oh wait, and that's just for the full Monty. I'm headed to brunch with my friends. And I literally have everything, but truth be told,
I could probably just pop it on the top. Wow. Wow.
you did that.
You did that. So you already know a mini pochette would definitely fit because that's a little bit more pliable.
Right.
So the fact that those
If 15
two are
worked with this, then they're
stiff.
similar, yeah.
Okay.
The more you know.
Yeah. What else you got in your collection? I wouldn't even zip it. Like, if you're really that concerned about the warping, like, if you're holding it under your arm, like,
I mean, I would be concerned
I would
about
probably-
this. Like, I would like take that out.
okay, but still,
Oh, even if you left it
like,
half
yeah,
open.
halfway.
Yeah, I can definitely see that.
It's easy access.
I like that.
Who doesn't like easy access?
I cannot believe, and like you said, just
Half open, little something, and then you put your wallet probably in the zippered one if you really are that concerned.
I'm here for it.
Like, I want to put other stuff in it.
Like,
I don't have any.
my dignity, my pride.
My bad decisions.
I am shook.
And this is no small wallet.
No.
Even an Emily wallet,
Mhm.
because that's a little longer and thinner, that would go perfectly in this.
It would. I didn't know how deep these were.
Yeah, the slip pockets. They're really deep. Unlike my pockets.
Right. This is dope. Sorry.
Are you silly?
I'm stealing this.
It looks good, like with what you're
What I
wearing.
wear. I'm gonna step out. Thanks again, guys, for having me. It's been real. I love you. Get it going.
And 3, 2, 1, prize.
I was not expecting all that to work out.
I really wasn't either. Not the 15.
Not even like close.
Wow. So can I keep it?
Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. She has a 15. That's newer than mine. You want to talk about you want a trade.
Anywho,
That's that.
That's all we got for you. We don't have any other things to put in this bag.
Nothing else will fit at this point.
I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, definitely give it a
Give it
like.
a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment,
Yes.
like, subscribe to my girl's channel. If you haven't, what are you doing? At my channel.
Yes, it's free.
It's free.
We love free.
I do love free. That you can fit in here. You can fit free. That's the only other thing you can fit in this bag. It doesn't cost much and it doesn't take up much room.
No, it doesn't.
So yes, free.
Yes.
Subscribe button. I'm just start throwing them out. You get a subscription. You get a subscription. Thank you so much for having me on your channel. I enjoyed this. And thank you guys for allowing me to be on her channel. We see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Check out some of my other videos. It's somewhere. I gotta rearrange it. But keep watching.
You get it.
Bye.